This is called
Bidet.
a bidet. B-I-D-E-T.
Fixing a bidet.
It's a French word.
Opening say bidet.
You want to introduce yourselves and what you're doing?
Alright. We are replacing his bidet. Right now, I'm trying to get rid of this mount to put this one in, but these screws are very rusty, so stand by.
Do you think you'll be able to get them out even though they're rusty like crazy?
I don't know. They look stripped.
I believe so, they are.
Yeah.
This house is like 30 years old.
I mean, it's very corroded.
Yeah. Like I said, do what you can, you know. You don't need to do anything are not able to right now.
Okay, sounds good.
It's an easy day. Yeah. Spotlight in the toilet. Who wants to come with me to the supermarket to get chicken? I need some meatball curry chicken.
I can go with you. Yeah.
Okay. So you guys can handle this by yourselves?
Do you need anything else done here in the meantime?
Yeah, I need some of you guys to help with this.
Cabinets?
So unscrew this one here, unscrew these, and then replace them with these. There are 4 of them.
So you want to remove what's there now?
See what's there now.
Okay.
So,
For the new
yeah,
ones?
you find it easier to replace one and remove and replace.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So I don't know. It's up to you guys because at least you know if you have them up, then you can see exactly where they are and stuff like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Got it.
Do you need a drill?
I don't think so.
We can just use this.
We can just use a screwdriver.
Okay.
Thank you though.
Yeah.
I'll have you do my maybe I guess.
If you need the drill, it's here. It's a
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So
I think, yeah, we already have the holes that we need, so I think we should be good.
you may not be able to put them back in the same hole because they're not by the same brands. Just to let
Okay.
you know. So in case you need to drill a pilot hole, this is
Perfect.
handy.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a great company. Yeah.
Do you usually put that tape on these two, or
Only on that side.
only right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
you do put it on these.
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
Otherwise, you know, the water may leak.
Leak. Yeah.
So you'll need to put quite a lot of it.
Okay.
Because the other day I put just a little bit and it still leaked.
Oh really?
Yeah, not that one, the water filter. So I realized, okay, you gotta put quite a fair bit, and you just have to test it. And switch on the mains and try.
Sure.
The other day, this place flooded. Here.
Oh really?
Yeah.
From a leak?
Yeah. Okay. The girls and I are going out to get some chicken for lunch.
Okay.
So we'll cook some.
Cool. With the spaghetti?
Yeah.
Moment of truth.
I used to cool myself down. That's awesome. It's too much.
Cool.
Right, girls, Shiloh.
Sure do.
Nice. Sweet.
Just like that.
You're the man.
I should get a few million views, give or take.
Yeah.